You can now safely edit your PDF to HTML conversion results on TypeLoft editor. Continue watching to learn how. First thing first, choose the desired conversion results you want to edit. In TypeLoft, you will see Articles and PDF Page tab on the left sidebar. Articles tab is where you have the HTML conversion results. PDF Page tab is where the image of the uploaded PDF are. In PDF Page tab, you can update links between articles and PDF areas. The link article is shown at the top of the blue area. Click on the drop-down to reassign the link to another article within the collection. You can also move and resize the clickable areas if you need to adjust them. You can also clone, resize, and delete the PDF clickable area. Create a new linkable area on your PDF by dragging your cursor to the desired area and link them to an article. In this update, you can also safely add new HTML page or remove them if needed. Please note that if an existing PDF area is linked to that article, you would need to update the link article on the PDF area. You can also safely remove PDF page on TypeLoft as well. Please remember that once removed, all the linkable areas related to that page will also be removed. You can also add new PDF as an image. Upload the PDF and select the image you want to insert. The new image will be automatically added as a new page on PDF view only. These changes will not affect the HTML view and table of contents, as table of contents only follow the order of HTML page. Last but not least, you can easily change the order of the PDF view by simply hold and drag the PDF page into the desired position. Same as before, these changes will not affect the HTML view and table of contents. That's it! If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be more than happy to assist you.